This is the book of Luke, chapter 21, verse 9, BibleGateway.com, through the Holy Scriptures, KJV version of the Holy Scriptures, and it reads, "But when ye shall hear of wars and commotions, be not terrified, for these things must first come to pass, but the end is not yet by and by." This is the book of Luke, chapter 21, verse 10, and it reads through the Holy Scriptures. Then said he unto them, Nation shall rise against nation, and kingdom against kingdom. Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem, Wakakadash. Double honors to the elders for preaching this word truthfully and sincerely, and shalom to the Akim, scattered through the four corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely as well too. And I say shalom to you Akim out there. And this is a sit-down lesson that I want to bring out of two news articles of the scriptures that I just read. Salakia for that. Salakia for that. That was one of the ads keep on coming up. Excuse me for that. So, my apology for the ads.
Пішло вже, полетіли всі стекла, все. Я тільки наділа на себе одіяло повністю на голову і кажу до чоловіка, ти живий чи не живий? Ну це все ж це мгновення, і тут вже таке горить усе, Боже мій, тут вже таке страхіття у вікно нам видно, що.
Спочатку вилетіли всі стекла, повилітало все, навіть люстри попадали. Все в землі було, а тоді взрив пішов, почали взриватися машини. Єлі понаходили речі і оце вибігли, а тоді вже почали всі з'їжджатися.
So as you seen right there of that 1 minute and 48-second clip, you seen right there the aftermath of that missile and drone strike from Russia over there to Ukraine. While you have the Russia-Ukraine situation between those two nations are intensifying now so more than ever. Over there in the Odessa area, the Bakhmut region, and the Kharkiv, Ukraine area as well too. So this is a news article from the Associated Press, news.com, by Andrea Rosa, Hannah Avarova, and David Rising from the Associated Press. And it reads, this was 53 minutes ago, and it reads, Russia missile and drone attack in Ukraine kills 22 people. And it says Russia fired more than 20 cruise missiles and 2 drones at Ukraine early Friday, killing at least 22 people, and all of them when two missiles slammed into an apartment building in a terrifying nighttime attack, the official said. 3 children were amongst the dead. The missile attack, including the first one against Kyiv, Ukraine capital, in nearly 2 months. Although there were no reports of any targets hit, the city government said the Ukraine Air Force intercepted 11 cruise missiles and 2 unnamed aerial vehicles over Kyiv. The 2 strikes on the 9-story resident building in central Ukraine occurred in Uman, a city located about 215 kilometers and 134 miles south of Kyiv. It says 20 people died in the attack. According to the Interior Minister, they included 2 10-year-old children and a toddler. Bring out the second news article. So that shows you a prime example of the nation should rise against nation as we continue to see the increasing of these 2 nations going against one another in those different parts of area of Ukraine. Now you have the second news article. This was from RT.com as of April the 28th, 2023. And it reads, Ukrainian troops generally ready for a counteroffensive, the minister says. The military is awaiting the order to attack. Alexei Rishkinov has said the Ukraine military is broadly ready to launch its much-touched counteroffensive against Russia, but is waiting the order to attack this from senior officials. And Kyiv Defense Minister Alexei Rishkinov has said, as soon as we have God's will, the order, and a decision by the command, we will do it. The official stated during a press conference on Friday.
I get something when I get through shit. I got to eat.
Right.
I ain't ate nothing. I fed that cat early this morning. Shit, cat, I got to eat. Get some